Okay, so I just heard of this game, and apparently I heard that all of these people here are actually just bots pretending. Nobody chooses their role. I think this may be real. Who dresses like that? Or like, so apparently if you ask in the chat. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh. Wait, hold on. I'm literally. Oh, I'm actually scared. Will this actually work? Oh. Oh. What is it? Oh, I swear. What is this? Actually, no, I cannot. I want to leave. Let me leave. What is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? It's still playing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Bye, y'all.